make spaghetti, first of all, I had to gather all the ingredients, and then next thing is, well, I have to chop the onions, the garlic, um, and I use hot dog, and this time I am going to use mushroom also. So after cutting all those things, I decided I have to boil the noodles first. Okay, so I'll wait for it till it's softened up. This will usually takes 5 to 10 minutes, you know. So once that is done, I'm gonna start with our spaghetti sauce. I followed it by sauteing garlic and onion. Then I'm gonna follow this with my hot dog. Ayan. So I put my hot dog. I always wanna fry my hot dog. Okay. So we'll wait for a few minutes till it's cooked, and then okay, this is good enough. Got burnt a little bit the onions, but that's fine. It's not a big problem. Okay, then I will put my ground beef. I normally use ground beef chuck. Okay, that's what I do. 80% lean, 20% fat. Ayan. Now is also the good time to add salt and pepper, so your meat will have a taste already. Not too much salt, okay? Especially for those who have high blood pressure or kidney problem like me. So I hardly use salt. Okay. So I added salt and pepper. I'm gonna leave it till it turns darker, and it's cooked. And then that's when I add the rest of the recipe later on. Okay, we'll be back. So after a few minutes, meat is good. Okay, yeah. And then now I will put my mushroom. Okay, oops. There's my mushroom. I got big mushrooms. I bought my mushrooms in Costco the other day. For one pack, it was only like $3. So I got a good deal there. Really huge mushrooms. And my husband loves mushrooms, and I like mushrooms. I just can't eat a lot of it, but it's one of my favorites. Okay, so let's mix that, and I am going to cover it again. I'm just gonna cook the mushroom a little bit. Okay, we'll be back again. Yeah, okay, mushroom looks good. Mixed it. Now is the time to put our sauce. Okay. Yun. So, spaghetti sauce are mixed with tomato sauce. Okay. And that's all we have to do is wait till it boils. and until it's creamier. Okay. After that, I am going to add my beef cube and basil. That's for the last step. Almost done. So I'm gonna turn down the heat. And let me add the splattering already. Let me add the beef bouillon and the basil. Okay, beef bouillon is there. Where is it? And basil. So we'll mix it. Ayan! Sauce is done! See how creamy it is now? Yon. I waited 10 minutes for this, to reach this kind of creaminess. Okay? And here is our finished product. We're ready to eat, people. See, look at that. Okay. Thank you for watching my channel, and don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button, and also the notification bell so you can be updated of more uploads. Again, thank you, and God bless you all. Bye.